processing. Dude, I said unarmed. What is this, man?
What?
I said come unarmed. Oh.
I am unarmed.
Doc, that's me, you fucking retard. Oh, don't worry. Don't. I meant to ask if you're unarmed. You're an absolute stud.
Wait, where are you, cunt? I'm wasting time and you...
Oh, baby.
User left your channel.
Was that still?
Nope.
Okay, back to TSSC.
This guy's crack, I wanna...
Dude, this guy is a bit sus. He keeps going to TSSC. He calls for backup, I'll fucking dome him.
Where is he? Can you see him?
No, I have no idea. That's why I went to the shoreline. And then he fucking called out me.
He's not on the shoreline.
Yeah, he's bullshitting, dude. I don't trust him.
Oh,
It says he's
can't
300
see.
meters out. I was 350 and I couldn't see him anywhere.
Well, I see one on the hill, by the road. Wait, one sec.
Just armed or unarmed?
That general location. He has a spa.
Yeah, no, something's going down. They're fucking sus. I didn't hear any other helis come in, so unless they're all loaded.
Yeah,
up.
fuck off. I'm coming down, you shit cunt.
Yeah, no, fuck this.
Get cover, get cover.
Yeah, I am. Oh, I'm fucking
Should I
trying.
just pick like his heli and then just fucking crash into him?
No, it's an orchid, dude. Not worth it. What are they, 250?
Kid. Him and his gear and everything.
Yeah, I know, but if there's more of them here, I'd rather have you on ground alive than on ground in a burning wreck.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Yeah, man, this is fucking... I'm in that broken house, you know, that everyone sits on. Just up from Prot.
Sure.
What the fuck? You guys are outside Sydney? Oh, no, I'm not gonna come.
I'm requesting a
I'll
backup deal.
march my 2 pub slots out there.
There's a
And
fucking...
They'll beat you guys up.
A purple Huron, a Zamak, a black Huron, a Taru. I still can't see him, Doc. This is some sus shit.
He pushed to the north a bit more. He's probably gonna go on that normal hill everyone snipes
yeah,
off.
that north hill. I'm gonna push up through the fucking tree line. So you don't call me out again, I'm the guy demarcated on my back.
I see one of them.
So wait, there's more than one here?
Oh no, he's up on the hill by me.
By you. That's 1.2k away. Oh,
Yeah, I know.
fuck.
When he comes back, fucking dick on the cunt.
Dude, it's just wasting our fucking time. Probably baiting as well. Oh, yeah. What a slimy cunt. He just decked on us. TSS.
Yeah, stay down.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Is that inside chat? Oh man.
What a fucking slimy cunt. I am not in a good position, Doc.
Killed him, fucking asshole.
Oh, Rubber Nuts is down. Worst fucking deck ever. See ya. Don't touch Doc.
That's a fucking prick.
Hey Doc, was that you guys yesterday? Yeah,
Oh, well, I'm down. Fuck.
Wait, he didn't
Okay.
dig. That's video.
No, yeah, that,
I-
okay, I have video evidence. Going up to help desk. Yeah, because
That's a
TSS...
3-way